CIA security cameras. Same height and build. P2P killed Starkey inside the building.
We're gonna get his face, then his name, then him.
That's gonna work.
Director's turning security a new one. It's creepy. I mean, I was here.
What was he doing?
My glasses. Studying.
Studying us?
You gotta know your enemy.
Did you think about keeping your